The Vian Lake Estate, 120 acres, has a beautiful custom home overlooking Vian Lake, foothills, and valleys. With about 3,800 square feet of living space and an oversized 4-car garage, this beauty will impress even the most discerning of critics. The 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom home is appointed with top-of-the-line amenities such as exotic 3-centimeter granite countertops, massive crown moldings, dental moldings, upscale windows and doors, beamed cathedral ceiling in the living room with fireplace, copper sinks, large granite shower, and many appealing architectural design features. The 120 acres of beautiful rolling foothills is home for whitetail deer, turkey, squirrels, dove, and other indigenous wildlife. Call today to view the Vian Lake Estate.